Good morning, children. Bachon will start just in 2-3 minutes. Okay, all the students they need to add na just 2-3 minutes. Okay. Good morning. Very good morning. Bachon 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. Remaining students also need to add na just 2 minutes. Okay. Good morning. Bachon, I'm just waiting. Huh? Once the students come, I'll start. Okay. Good morning, Aditya. Sir, we have to draw this diagram. Yes, but I'll explain. Huh? Now you can't draw. After I explain, you draw because आपको है ना समझ में नहीं आता है. I will tell how to draw. Okay. Good morning, Razia. बच्चों हमारा क्लास स्ट्रेंथ 57 है ना. That's why I'm waiting. Just 2-3 minutes में will start. Only 2-3 minutes. Okay. Bachcho, shall we start because it's getting too late. Already we waited more than 5 minutes, to be frank. Okay, then we'll start. Okay. Just 1 minute. Sorry. Okay. Children, in the last class, we took the introduction of biological. Sir, for mega test, do we have to study for no बच्चों, बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा. Okay, you can't read. Okay, because this is a first test. फर्स्ट टेस्ट में इतना सिलेबस दिया तो यू कांट, यू विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल बिकम पैनिक. Okay, living world is more than enough, to be frank. Yeah, only one chapter, only living world. Okay, सिर्फ लिविंग वर्ल्ड. ओके, बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन है ना, विल टेक इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, नेक्स्ट मेगा टेस्ट में लेते हैं हम. ओके, या टैक्सोनॉमी लिविंग वर्ल्ड. संस्कार, टैक्सोनॉमी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लिविंग वर्ल्ड, so it's not different. Okay, now in the last lecture we started the introduction of biological classification. So taxonomy, yeah, taxonomy is a part of living world. Yes, otherwise safety के लिए I will explain once again. living world chapter में first topic number 1 is characteristics of living organisms. What is that? Characteristics of living organisms. इसमें defining characters and non-defining characters. Topic number 1. Now topic number 2, taxonomy and systematics. And taxonomy and systematics में 1, nomenclature, 2, classification, and the third one is what? Identification. And identification में we studied taxonomic aids. Okay, so these are the topics of living world. I think now you got like proper clarity, if I am correct. Okay, so these are the topics. Okay, now biological classification में we yeah, क्षितिजा बोलिए बेटा, you raised your hand, so you can ask. क्षितिजा, I think by mistake. Okay, sir, please can you unmute me? Okay, yeah, yes, you can speak now. Sorry.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, actually there was one kind request. So
Yeah.
please, can you give us at least 4 to 5 minutes for writing each slide so that it don't get burdensome for us to write it again?
No, okay, is it that case? But actually, these notes I am preparing for you only, na. Okay, if you want me to do that, okay, I'll do that. But it's time waste होगा. You आप ही सोचो. It becomes time waste.
Yes, sir. Actually, what happens afterwards when the lecture is got over? That time we have to write the notes, and then afterwards we have to study. So for writing the notes again, time is.
Okay, chalo. If this is the case, if you are comfortable with this, okay, no problem. Chalo,
Yes, sir.
but
Thank you,
no,
sir.
everyone accept for this. Shall I stop for 2-3 minutes? Yeah, okay, then I'll stop. Okay, after every slide I'll stop. Okay, now Today we are starting the second topic of the biological classification. Now, biological classification, but बच्चों last just one day before only I explained you 5 kingdom classification. याद है? भूल गया. 5 kingdom classification आपको याद है बच्चों? Given by R.H. Whittaker. Okay, R.H. Whittaker told, "Arey, there are 5 kingdoms are there. What are they? The first one is Monera, second one is Protista, the third one is fungi, and the fourth one is Plantae, and the fifth and last one is what? Animalia." Understanding it? Now, देखो I'm talking about biological classification chapter में we will read Monera, Protista and fungi. Understanding it? Monera, Protista and fungi. Okay. सॉरी बच्चों, स्मॉल टेक्निकल एरर. मैं रिफ्रेश किया. ओके, नाउ in biological classification we read Monera, Protista and fungi. So then what about plant kingdom and animal kingdom? Plant kingdom we will read it in the 3rd chapter. Understanding it? And animal kingdom we'll read it in the 4th chapter. I think, I don't know much, I think Rakesh sir already started animal kingdom. Am I correct? Yeah. So in this biological classification chapter mein we need to read about 3 kingdoms. What are the 3 kingdoms? Monera, Protista and fungi. Then हमारा chapter is completed. Sir, that means Monera एक दिन, Protista एक दिन, fungi एक दिन. Sir, 3 दिन में खत्म होगा ना? No, इतना easy नहीं. Monera के लिए minimum 3 days लगेगा, एंड प्रोटेस्टा के लिए 2 दिन लगेगा, एंड फंगाई के लिए 2 दिन लगेगा, एंड बाद में वायरस के लिए 1 दिन, एंड लाइकेंस के लिए 1 दिन. दैट मीन्स 3 + 2 5, 5 + 2 7, 8 and 9. दैट मीन्स 9 days एंड रफली ओके और 1 दिन ओके 10 days लगेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? या मोनीरा बड़ा है ना, बिकॉज मोनीरा इट हैज so many bacteria na, that's why. Okay, now kingdom Monera. So the first kingdom of biological classification. Okay, now Monera, if you take, what do you know about Monera bachcho? Anything you know? Anything you know? Monera matlab any idea, like basic idea आपको पास है क्या? Monera matlab all the prokaryotes, all the, no Sakshi, no unicellular organisms nahi. No, you are wrong. Yes, Pratik is correct. Sakshi is wrong. Okay, Sakshi beti, actually only prokaryotes. Okay, unicellular eukaryotes, they comes under Protista. They comes under what? Protista. Okay, so all the prokaryotes, they comes under Monera. Okay, okay, this because Monera का अंदर prokaryotes आएगा ना, इसलिए Monera is otherwise called as prokaryota. Why? Tell me. Because Monera, it includes prokaryotes, so obviously prokaryotes, it is called as prokaryota. That's it. You're understanding it or not? So now tell me bachcho, Monera, it includes dash prokaryotes. Because prokaryotes are included in Monera, Monera it is also called as dash prokaryota. Okay bachcho, so first point, many confusions are there? Any confusions? No confusions? Very good sir. ये prokaryotes का अंदर क्या क्या आएगा? आर्कीबैक्टीरिया आएगा, यूबैक्टीरिया आएगा, साइनोबैक्टीरिया, माइकोप्लाज्मा, actinomycetes and pleuropneumonia like organisms. So this many organisms, these are all what? List of prokaryotes. बच्चों all these are what बच्चों? These are the list. Archaebacteria, eubacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma, actinomycetes, PPLO. These all are the organisms that comes under what? the prokaryotes. For example, if you take Animalia, Animalia ka andar what I call Porifera, as what I call after that what I call Mollusca, Arthropoda, Annelida, understanding it, and what I call coelentrates, okay, Platyhelminthes, Nemathyhelminthes. These are all organisms of kingdom Animalia. Like that, these are all the organisms of what? Kingdom Monera. Bachon, is this clear? This is clear, bachon? Or anything you have to ask? Sir, they are found in all types of environment. Yeah, mostly. Mostly, Betty. Not all, I can't say. All, I can't say, but mostly. Yeah, mostly I can say. Yes, for example, if you want, I'll tell you one example. Archaebacteria is mostly present in the warm and marsh areas. That means किधर थोड़ा what I call temperature ज़्यादा है ना, and also गंदा गंदा places में archaebacteria रहेगा. Understanding marshy areas like gobar and all this nonsense में रहेगा. Understanding it. So archaebacteria. So most of the bacteria present everywhere, but not all. Okay, and kingdom Monera, it is the most primitive and earliest form of the life. Okay, most primitive. Bapre, mera se bhi purana. I'm just joking, but they are the most primitive and earlier forms of the life. Okay, so this is about a brief introduction, a very very brief introduction of Monera. Is this clear, बच्चों? ये स्लाइड में कुछ डाउट्स है क्या आपको? कुछ डाउट्स? नो? ओके. Okay. Can I change the slide or do I need to wait? Actually, one more thing also I need to tell you. You can directly Xerox my notes actually. You need not even write also actually. आपके पास printers है ना? Printer से तो directly आप download भी कर सकते हैं. Sorry, print कर सकते हैं. Why unnecessarily again to write? No, I'll wait. No problem. I'll wait. No screen. No voice I accept because many students are asking me to wait. That's why. But no screen ऐसा कैसे होता है? You need to refresh your page. I think so. मेरा साइड से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Yeah. Can I take the next slide? Okay. Can I take out the slide, bachchon? Can I go for the next slide? Yeah. Now dekho. Discovery. Who discovered this Monerans? That means prokaryotes count discover kiya. For the first time, Anton von Leeuwenhoek. बच्चों सबको पता है ना Anton von Leeuwenhoek, the greatest scientist. Like he's a greatest scientist. Understanding it? For the first time, he is the one who designed what I call microscope. You know that? Microscope was designed by him only. Understanding it? So he designed microscope. See, that's why he's a Dutch lens maker. Lens, पता है ना? बच्चों लेंस पता है ना आपको? माइक्रोस्कोप्स इन योर 10th क्लास 9th क्लास we used to like take you to labs, understand? in that lab में that microscope है ना, that microscope में लेंस रहेगा, microscopic lens, and he's actually a lens maker. Okay, he's a Dutch lens maker, and he designed the microscope for the first time, and he observed bacteria. Sir, where he observed bacteria? He observed bacteria in teeth scum. In teeth scum, understanding it? That means ganda. So if you don't brush your teeth properly, what you call teeth scum मिलेगा, understanding it? थोड़ा अजीब ओके मैं अजीब बात कर रहे, बट दैट्स ट्रूथ. बायोलॉजी में क्या अजीब? few things I need to tell. If you don't brush your teeth, and obviously scum, understanding it? गंदा मिलेगा, understand that? to what tooth scum में, and also rain water में he observed what? Bacteria for the first time. For the first time, Dutch lens maker, his name is Anton van Leeuwenhoek, he observed bacteria in tooth scum and also rainwater, and he named the word animalcule. That means bacteria is not the word given, bacteria is the word which is not given by Leeuwenhoek. Okay, and whatever he discovered na, this complete discovery he published in a book called The Secrets of Nature, discovered by Leeuwenhoek. The Secrets of Nature, discovered by Leeuwenhoek. ओके, इधर तक फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट तक समझ में ना बच्चों? फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट तक एनी डाउट्स यू कैन आस्क? फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट सबको अगेन सेफ्टी के लिए और एक बार रिपीट करेगा, सो दैट इफ द वन हु डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड आल्सो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, he is a Dutch lens maker. He designed the microscope and observed the bacteria for the first time. Where he observed the bacteria for the first time? In teeth scum and rainwater, and he called that bacteria as animalcule. And whatever he discovered, his observation, everything, his everything, all the information he gave in a book called as The Secrets of Nature, discovered by Leeuwenhoek. So I repeated it also. I think it is clear. Now second scientist, a pehle scientist a. Now second scientist, there is a scientist, one more scientist, that is Ehrenberg. Sir, named difficult है बच्चों, मुझे भी पता है. प्लीज एडजस्ट बच्चों, बायोलॉजी में थोड़ा नेम्स ऐसा ही होता है. 2-3 बार आप अच्छा से प्रैक्टिस करो, 100% आपको आदत हो जाएगा. ओके, एरेनबर्ग. ओके, एरेनबर्ग एंड आल्सो कुहन. ओके, हु इज दैट बच्चों? कुहन, CO QHN, hen. Okay, कुहन. Okay, Ehrenberg and Cohen. Okay, this Ehrenberg and Cohen, they are the first microbiologists who used the word bacteria. And this question, it is already asked in your NEET exam. Who gave the word bacteria? Tell me, who gave the word bacteria, bachcho? Very important question, and very important, it is already asked bachcho in your aapka NEET exam mein this question is asked. Okay, who gave the word bacteria for first time? Ehrenberg. Ehrenberg. Okay, of course his associate, उसका नाम कुहन, उसको इतना क्रेडिट नहीं मिला, बट एरेनबर्ग ज्यादा फेमस हो गया. Ehrenberg, he got very popular. Okay, so Ehrenberg got more popularity than Cohen. Okay, now the third scientist, can I take बच्चों? Third scientist, अभी तक हम 2 साइंटिस्ट खत्म किया. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड साइंटिस्ट, हिज नेम इज व्हाट? बर्गे. बर्गर नहीं, बर्गे. होप आप नाश्ता किया. Understanding it? So it's Berge. Understanding it? Now if you take Berge, what he told, Munira, I will create a separate group. That means all the prokaryotes के लिए I will create a separate group, and he really created a separate group, and उसका group का नाम क्या बच्चों? नाम क्या? Prosophyta group. बच्चों, which group? Now tell me. All the bacteria के लिए one group was created, who, and that group name is Prosophyta. And who created that name? This group was created by Berge. Understanding it? And Berge, in this प्रोसोफाइटा ग्रुप में he described, बापरे, he described the bacteria like anything. Understand it? Almost every detail of बैक्टीरिया ऑलमोस्ट, सर सर 100% तो 100% दिया ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते बच्चों, बट ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ द कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द बैक्टीरिया, their structure, their what you call behavior, their habitat, their habit, everything he explained. That's why he wrote a book called Manual of Determinative Microbiology, and it is considered as Bible of Bacterial Classification. Such में it is really called as Bible of Bacterial Classification. Okay, now tell me, Burge, he explained the bacteria in a very larger way in a book called as Manual of Determinative what? Microbiology. In that Manual of Determinative Microbiology, he explained the bacteria like very, very clearly, and it is called as Bible of Bacterial Classification. Okay, any doubts in the third scientist, bachcho? Any doubts in the third scientist? Okay, now the next one is Burge gave the group name Prosophyta, whereas Linnaeus told that, are yaar Prosophyta name itna, sir, repeat. Burge he wrote a book called as Manual of Determinative Microbiology. In this Manual of Determinative Microbiology, he explained bacteria, their characteristics, their structure, everything, Bapre, in a very, very detailed manner, understanding it. That's why Manual of Determinative Microbiology, it is called as Bible of Bacterial Classification. बेटा समझ में ना, और एक बार बोलो मैं. And he also created a group also for bacteria, and that group का नाम Prosophyta. Which one बच्चों? Prosophyta. Yes. Okay, now the next one is Linnaeus. He this Prosophyta group which was given by what? Burge ना. अरे यार, ये Prosophyta group के लिए we will create a genus, and this genus name is what? Vermis. What is that, bachcho? Vermis. And later Nageli told, are bacteria we will classify under Schizomycetes. Of course, bachcho, one thing you need to understand, sir, this many groups, why they are creating? See, you please understand, bachcho, earlier time, this is all happened earlier. You understanding it? So many scientists, they told their own statement. आपको समझ में आना ना, every scientist they are giving their own idea, and बाद में R.H. Whittaker they cancelled. See, for example, right now Prosophyta name is not there, and Vermis name is also not there, Schizomycetes name is also not there. Understanding it? Finally Monera only fix हो गया ना. Understanding it? See, for example, we wanted to make a decision. Now everyone will give their idea na, but finally only one idea it will be what? Accepted. Am I correct or not? For example, बच्चों how to explain, आपको कैसे समझ में आ रही है? So for example, Kalyan sir is taking the feedback. बच्चों मेरा क्लास कैसे आपको समझ में आ रही है? Every student will tell their own point ना. Understanding it? And हर एक points लेके we will create a what? A nice, that means सबको कैसे रास्ता, अच्छा रास्ता, that only will select ना. सबका रास्ता we don't select. Like that, Prosophyta एक रास्ता दिया, and Vermis और दूसरा रास्ता दिया, Schizomycetes और तीसरा रास्ता दिया, बट ये सब रास्ता कैंसिल हो गया ना. फाइनली कौन सा रास्ता? R.H. Whittaker का रास्ता फाइनल हो गया, एंड वो रास्ता में उसका नाम क्या है? मोनेरा दिया. That means everyone are free to express their views. They express their views. That's it. बच्चों क्लियर है? कंफ्यूजन नहीं आया ना? Hope if you don't understand also no problem, but confused nahi hona chahiye, because confusion is very dangerous. Okay, now the smallest, very important points, very important, not only important, first thing is it's a good piece of information. Actually it is just not important, bachcho, it is a good piece of information actually. Understanding it? What is that? The smallest bacteria sabse chota kaun hai? Dialister. Okay, what is that, bachcho? What is that? डायलिस्टर ऑफ कोर्स सर स्पीसीज नेम भी चाहिए ओडिगल डायलिस्टर ओके सर स्पीसीज नाम भी चाहिए व्हाट इज दिस यू आर नॉट टेलिंग नूमोसेंटिस इतना क्या सोच रहे हो इतना क्या सोच रहे हो ओके नूमोसेंटिस ओके सर जीनस सर स्पीसीज नाम भी याद रखना है क्या नो बट इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट्स वेरी गुड Nomocentis. Understand? Sir, P is there, sir. You are telling, you are pronouncing right. But P is silent. Okay. P, when you are writing, then only you have to write. But when you are pronouncing it, Pneumocentis. No. Pneumocentis only. Because P is silent over there. Dialyster pneumocentis. Pneumocentis. Pneumocentis nahi. Okay. Okay. Whereas largest bacteria is nothing but Begiota. Sir, species name? Species name? Mirabilis. What is that? Mirabilis. Okay. Begiota mirabilis. And smallest bacteria is what? Dialyster pneumocentis. Okay. Dialyster pneumocentis. Okay. क्या मेरा साइड से गलती है क्या जिसमें यू आर टेलिंग नो वॉइस ऐसा कैसे हो सकते हैं कल भी ऐसा एक हुआ ना क्या मेरा साइड से मेरा वाईफाई कनेक्शन इज प्रॉपर वाई आर यू फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी गलती मेरा है क्या आपका ओके मे बी देर साइड से प्रॉब्लम है आई थिंक सो दैट्स वाई प्रॉब्लम okay and studying about bacteria it is called as bacteriology sir before starting lecture guys restart your phone okay now the studying the branch of biology that study about the bacteria is called as what bacteriology what is that bachcho bacteriology okay now ये स्लाइड में नहीं डाउट्स आ रहे बच्चों is clear okay very good ना थोड़ा जल्दी लिखो बच्चों I'll wait जल्दी लिखो yeah I told but many are like they express their views I told that थोड़ा टाइम वेस्ट होगा ऐसा वेट करने में एंड क्लास का है ना that continuity flow it will get disconnected but see let them be happy everyone in the class must be happy oh till the time you I finished my breakfast I finished my breakfast done okay चलो दूसरा लो बच्चों yes I am taking the next slide okay yeah there is one more scientist that is Robert Koch बच्चों Robert Koch, what they told? Robert Koch, he's actually a German doctor. He's actually a doctor. Understanding it? He told, wait, again, wait. Okay, chalo. Yeah. I can understand, bachcho. But see, everyone must be happy. That's why I'm stopping actually. ये सब पढ़ाने में है ना फ्लो डिस्टर्ब होता है, बट क्या करूं. Yeah, people are asking me to wait. That's why Akansha, I'm waiting for them. I'm waiting for them actually. या कल्पेश गौरव हो गया नहीं, टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है बच्चों. या तन्वी, आई एम रेडी टू टीच बट दे आर आस्किंग मी टू वेट. मैं क्या करूं? मैं क्या करूं? What should I do? They're asking me to wait. Okay. Now, the next one is Robert Koch. Now, if you take Robert Koch, he's a German doctor. He's a German doctor. Very good. What he told, you know, Robert Koch is a very great scientist. Sir, इतना greatness Robert का कोच क्या, इतना great का क्या काम क्या किया? देखो, Robert Koch, he told the relationship between microorganisms and diseases. That means there are certain monerans. बच्चों मोनेरेंस मतलब बैक्टीरिया ओनली, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. मोनेरेंस मतलब दूसरा कैटेगरी, नो 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 नो, बैक्टीरिया ओनली आई एम कॉलिंग मोनेरेंस. ओके, देयर आर सम मोनेरेंस, that means bacteria, they can cause a disease also, and for this he got a Nobel Prize also, and he is the first one. बच्चों, till now no one told. Everyone they described what bacteria and bacteria characteristics, habitat वगैरह, that only. But for the first time Robert Koch, because doctor is doctor only, Robert Koch, that he told that अरे यार, this bacteria is responsible for creating so many diseases also. For the first time it was revealed by whom? Robert Koch. Understanding it or not? And for his work he got Nobel Prize also. That means कितना इतना eminent work है. देखो, where he also gave some diseases also, that is tuberculosis and cholera, that takes place in the man, that is due to what? Bacteria only. And anthrax, it is caused in the cattle, that is also due to some bacteria only. Okay. But Robert Koch, many doubts are there? No? Okay. Now the next one is Lister. Okay. Lister, he told that अरे यार Robert Koch क्या बोला? अरे he causes bacteria causes diseases to the organisms. अरे यार, बैक्टीरिया कितना डेंजरस एंड पावरफुल है ना. बैक्टीरिया इवन कंटामिनेट द सर्जिकल apparatus also. बच्चों, सच में. Otherwise, if you don't believe me, you go to any hospital. I don't know how many of you clearly noticed it. डॉक्टर है ना, उसका टेबल में एक एक बॉक्स रहेगा, एंड ऑलवेज दिस बॉक्स इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द इलेक्ट्रिक सोर्स. am I correct not? एंड इसमें कभी भी देखो, the boiling water will be there. How many of you noticed it? In that he keep all these particular knives, surgical apparatus, syringes, understanding if it is glass, like that they will keep it. Why, you know? Why, you know? Tell me why. If you can, you can tell me why. Reason क्या होगा? Yeah, very good. Because na, the surgical apparatus, they will be contaminated by bacteria. To stop contaminating these particular bacteria, this particular apparatus, they kept in the boiling water. And bacteria cannot be able to tolerate इतना temperature में मर जाएगा ना. इतना टेम्परेचर में बैक्टीरिया तो मर जाएगा. इसलिए they will keep this particular surgical apparatus in the hot water. Understanding it or not? And this was first of all done by whom? Lister. Understand? See, देखो, he used carbonic acid for sterilizing. First time sterilization concept, for the first time sterilization concept, it is given by Lister only. See, I think you are wondering, देखो इतना great scientists are there बच्चों, and because of their mercy only we are happily living. And Lister, Robert Koch. See, you don't think that I'm exaggerating so much. Sir, you are telling so much. Don't think like that. I'm telling you truth. Because of them only हमारा life इतना what I call peaceful and अच्छा है. If these scientists, they don't dedicate their जिंदगी for this work है ना, and till date bacteria मतलब क्या है हमको पता ही नहीं चलता है ना. So our life, it is due to this many scientists. So sterilization मतलब disinfecting. That means what? Very easily I'll tell you. मान लो अभी आप बाहर गया तो आप क्या करेगा? You went out, corona time, you will put your clothes in hot water. Am I correct or not? Or mask, you will put it in the that masks and also your clothes in the hot water. And that means what you are doing? You are sterilizing. That means what? By using the hot water or by using some alcoholic sanitizers, you are clearing your what I call bacteria or virus, whatever it may be. That what I call clearing by using the hot water or sanitizers, that is called a sterilization technique. बच्चों समझ में ना? Yes, she understood. Okay, बच्चों. Now, बच्चों, don't think that I'm speaking against to you. I am thinking my पहले teaching only मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. आज teaching में enjoy नहीं कर रहे. I am not enjoying today's teaching because no, एक flow it is connecting, flow it is missing. Because I am explaining, I am stopping for 5-10 minutes. Okay, so if you don't hurt, if you don't feel bad, if you can do, will you write notes later? Even many students are also they are not enjoying my class today. Did you notice my earlier class and today's class थोड़ा फर्क है ना? Okay. And bachcho, one more thing also, you need not to write, please. You need not to write. Actually, you can take printouts. This all, if you have any printers at home, na, you can take printouts also. Okay. I'll go to the next slide. Okay. चलेगा ना बच्चों? Yes. Where? लुइस पैसर. क्या बोलूं? कितना बोलेगा तो भी वो कम होगा बच्चों. Really, I'm telling you, how much ever we say. Sir, can you explain the fourth point of Robert Koch? Fourth point, Robert Koch में what is fourth point? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I did not explain. Sorry, मैं भूल गया. Overview हो गया. Now, Koch postulates do not applicable to what? Obligate parasites. बच्चों, what is the meaning of obligate parasites? By any chance, anyone know? What do you mean by obligate parasite? If you know only, no problem. If you don't know, I am here now. I will tell. You don't know? Okay, then I will tell. Okay, now obligate, no problem, I'll tell. Kshitija, no issue, I am there not to tell. I'm just asking, if you know you can tell, otherwise I'm here to know. Obligate parasite matlab compulsory parasite. Sir, what is the meaning of compulsory? उसको पक्का 100% क्या चाहिए, होस्ट मिलेगा तो इट कैन बी एबल टू कंप्लीट इट्स लाइफ साइकिल. इफ को होस्ट नहीं मिला, it cannot be able to complete its life cycle. Then that type of what parasites are called as obligate parasites. बच्चों समझ में ना? और एक बार बोलो, और एक बार बोलते हैं, बिकॉज सेफ्टी इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एवरीवन शुड अंडरस्टैंड ना. ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट्स मतलब if any parasite need host, 100% it need host to complete its life cycle, then that is called as obligate parasite. Whereas some parasites are there, please understand, some bacteria are there, it can be able to complete its life cycle in host also and also without host also. बच्चे समझ में ना? Without host also they can happily live. Okay, sir, example बोलिए. Can anyone tell example बच्चों? If you don't tell, I am here now, you don't worry, I am there, you know, you need not to worry. Can anyone tell? Ascaris. What is that बच्चों? Ascaris. व्हाइट कलर earthworm जैसे दिखता है. earthworm थोड़ा ऑरेंज और पिंकिश कलर में रहेगा ना, बट सेम earthworm you try to imagine in white color बच्चों, in white color है ना, सेम earthworm only, but you try to imagine in the white color, understanding it? So that is called ascaris. and in ascaris को host मिला, अच्छा है. host नहीं मिला, फिर भी अच्छा है. Understand? That means this is called as facultative parasite, which is called as what बच्चों? Facultative parasite. Okay, and obligate parasite मतलब क्या? They need host. Without host they can't be able to complete life cycle. सर एग्जांपल क्या है? माइकोबियम लैप्रे. बच्चों माइकोबियम लैप्रे पता है ना? एंड लैप्रेसी ना, लैप्रेसी मतलब यू नो हमारा शरीर का ऊपर है ना व्हाइट कलर लीजन्स आएगा. दैट मीन्स मान लो ये हमारा हाथ है, एग्जाम्पल के लिए. बच्चों एग्जाम्पल के लिए, सर मेरा हाथ इतना गंदा दिखता है क्या सर? डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट, आई एम नॉट ए गुड आर्टिस्ट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. मान लो दिस इज आवर हैंड, एंड हैंड का ऊपर व्हाट? व्हाइट लीजन्स आएगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? व्हाइट लीजन्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? लेप्रेसी. दैट इज व्हाट? लेप्रेसी. अंडरस्टूड? फोर्थ पॉइंट समझ में आना बेटा? और do you need to explain again? Now the next scientist is लुईस पैस्चर. बच्चों लुईस पैस्चर के बारे में कितना भी बोलो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? वाई कोच postulates में he told sir incurable. Yeah, it's a kind of incurable only. Yes, correct, you can't cure it, सच में. Okay, coach postulate, he told that the bacteria can transfer the disease from one to other, understanding it? But obligate parasite मतलब क्या? For example, if any bacteria, if it is transferring from one to other, not necessarily this bacteria can every time will get the host. बच्चों समझ में है ना? every time host मिलता है क्या? every time. LIC पॉलिसी है क्या? पक्का आवड़ेगा मेच्योरिटी मिलने के लिए, अंडरस्टैंड? मेच्योरिटी मनी मिलने के लिए, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? सो एवरी टाइम होस्ट नहीं मिलेगा ना. So sometimes Robert Kochler, that means he explained about facultative parasites, but obligatory parasite मतलब host मिलेगा तो जिंदगी जिएगा, host नहीं मिलेगा तो जिंदगी नहीं जिएगा. That is the reason why Robert Koch postulates it is not applicable for obligatory bacteria, obligatory parasites. Understanding it? ओके बच्चों. वेयर एज लुईस पैस्चर, कितना बोलो, कितना प्रेस करो, वो कम ही होगा. Such a great scientist is nothing but Louis Pasteur. बच्चों, Louis Pasteur, he's a legend. He's a legend. Understanding it? He's just not a scientist. He's a legend. Understanding it? Louis Pasteur, he told by heating the things. बच्चों, by heating the things, understanding it, you can remove the contamination. बच्चों, tell me, and the technique इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Pasteurization technique. बच्चों, he gave one disease called as germ theory of disease. What is the meaning of germ theory of disease? The germ theory of disease मतलब the bacteria it is specific for the specific host. सर आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहे सर. ओके, वेरी वेरी इजीली आई टेल यू. आपको 100%, मेरा गारंटी आपको 100% समझ में आएगा. मान लो एक बैक्टीरिया इज देयर, एग्जाम्पल के लिए आई एम टेलिंग ओनली फॉर योर एग्जाम्पल. ओके, एक बैक्टीरिया इज देयर and this bacteria causing diseases to human being. Okay, now this bacteria which is causing disease to human being, you inject into a buffalo. Now this bacteria cannot be able to create the disease. That means what? Bacteria are specific to specific host. बच्चों समझ में ना? I think you understood. I am thinking, but you have to tell. So bacteria are specific. I repeat again, no problem. I'll repeat, no problem. मान लो एक bacteria is there. That bacteria, it causes diseases to human being. Now, this bacteria, it is causing diseases now. Now what I'll do now? This bacteria will inject into what? Inject into one monkey. This bacteria do not cause any disease. That means what? Bacteria are very choosy and selective, bachcho. Bacteria are very choosy. They are very selective. That means the bacteria which can cause disease to one host, it cannot cause the disease to other host. For example, coronavirus is there. Coronavirus, it is for human beings. Understanding it or not? It is not. Why monkeys and pigeons? मेरा apartment में पूरा pigeons only. Understanding it? Why pigeons are not suffering from corona? Tell me. That means these are the parasites. These are the parasites. They are specific to specific host. They cannot be able to create the disease to others. Now you understood it? And that was explained in germ theory of disease. Kalpesh beta, I am waiting for your answer. If you understand, I'll go ahead. If you don't understand, I'll repeat once again. Okay, everyone understood, bachcho? Not only, I'm not asking about only Kalpesha. Everyone understood? Yeah, that's very very nice. Okay, and he's considered as pasteurization. समझ में ना? I think pasteurization आप 8th 9th classes में भी आपने पढ़ा है. By heating you can remove the contamination. Pasteurization मतलब आप 8th 9th classes में आपने already पढ़ा है, but still any doubts? Pasteurization मतलब if you have any doubts you can ask. Okay, now, and he is the one who is considered as the father of modern what? Microbiology, where he is the one who gave the word microbiology. Aram se everyone will call microbiology, but that microbiology word was given by whom? Louis Pasteur only. Understood? And he also gave the words called as, sir, boiling to a certain temperature for killing. Yes, correct. Sakshi, you are 101% correct. Perfect answer. Pasteurization matlab boiling at certain temperature will kill the bacteria. That is the technique. It is called as what? Pasteurization. Very good. Your answer is perfect. Okay, now this Louis Pasteur gave the words aerobic and anaerobic. बच्चों मुझे पता ही नहीं. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of aerobic and anaerobic? By any chance, can anyone tell me what is aerobic and anaerobic? Aerobic matlab the organisms which can take respiration in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic matlab the organisms which cannot utilize oxygen for their respiration. Oxygen is used for respiration. Aerobic, oxygen is not used for respiration, then that is called as anaerobic. Understanding it? And Louis Pasteur laid the foundation of bacteriology by developing culture techniques. So, bachchon, what is the meaning of culture techniques? मुझे पता नहीं. Can anyone tell me
What is the meaning of culture technique by any chance? Can anyone tell what is culture technique? Culture technique matlab, see, growing the bacteria, growing the bacteria by providing any medium. Sir, what is the meaning of this medium? That may be coconut water, milk, understanding it, or what do you call, what do you call, wheat flour. Sir, your comment, what's your comment? Bacteria, sir. Akansha, where is your comment? मुझे दिख रहा नहीं. Akansha, living, active, occurring or existing in the absence of free, as opposed to aerobic, which means living, active or occurring only in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic means, yeah, okay, correct. But you made the what do you call, statement so difficult, so easy. No, everyone should understand. But your point is so good. Isme there is no doubt. Isme there is no doubt. Okay, but you made it very tough. Okay, now whatever it is, now culture technique matlab, by using certain material like milk or coconut milk, understanding it, or what you call, meat, understanding it, or by using anything, if you are culturing the bacteria artificially, understand, then that is called what? Culture technique. Like tissue culture तो पता है ना बच्चों? Tissue culture मतलब what? You are growing the plants in a test tube. Like that, you are getting bacteria in a test tube by providing them necessary food material. Then that is called as culture technique. Yeah, correct. Sakshi Biti, correct. Okay. Yeah, देखो, very nice, Pranav, very nice, excellent. देखो, ये टेस्ट ट्यूब्स में और ग्लास प्लेट्स में they gave some food material to eat so that the bacteria will grow on that. If growing bacteria by providing some food material to them, then that is called as culture technique. चलो, लुईस पास्चर सबको समझ में है ना बच्चों? लुईस पास्चर सबको समझ में है ना? Any confusions? Any confusions you can ask. Okay, and bachcho will stop it today now. Okay, because today approximately 9 scientists we discussed, so bahut zyada ho gaya aaj. I am thinking so. Growing of bacteria by providing artificial conditions. Yeah, excellent, Kshitija, perfect, Kshitija. Yes, you are correct. Okay bachcho, and next topic we will take tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow my class is not there na. Okay, again I'll meet. मिल्क का होता है ना? या पैस्चराइजेशन में मिल्क, यस बेटा, या नॉट ओनली मिल्क, एनीथिंग. सी बेसिकली एनी फूड आइटम ना, इफ यू हीट ना, उसका कंटामिनेशन कम हो जाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड पैस्चराइजेशन. ओके, थर्सडे, या नेक्स्ट थर्सडे विल मीट. ओके सर, लुईस पास्चर आल्सो, या वेरी गुड रजिया, perfect. Fermentation technique. In respiration topic may we'll read Louis Pasteur again. Yeah, fermentation technique was given by Louis Pasteur only. Very good. Yeah, definitely. No problem. I'll 100% I'll send बच्चों. इसमें there is no doubt. I will definitely send the notes. Bye. आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया ना? 9 scientists I explained. Hope you are okay. यूजुअल आई डोंट एक्सप्लेन मोर, ट्रबल नहीं देते, बट फ्लो इसलिए. ओके, थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन, बाय.